Did you know America's most wanted terrorist was caught because he couldn't resist publishing his thoughts? For 18 years, Ted Kaczynski terrorized the nation with mail bombs, killing 3 and injuring dozens more. The FBI had no clue who he was until 1995, when he made a fatal mistake. He demanded newspapers publish his 35,000-word manifesto about technology to destroying humanity. The Washington Post agreed, hoping someone would recognize the writing. FBI linguistic experts studied every word, comma, and phrase like a fingerprint. They found unique patterns, specific word choices, unusual sentence structures, even consistent spelling errors. Then David Kaczynski read it and felt sick. The writing style matched letters from his brother Ted perfectly. After months of agony, he called the FBI. On April 3, 1996, agents surrounded a tiny cabin in rural Montana. Inside, they found bomb-making materials and the exact typewriter used for the manifesto. Kaczynski got life in prison, and forensic linguistics became a new weapon against crime. Words became evidence, proving even the smartest criminals leave invisible signatures. Follow this page if you enjoy this content for more true crime stories.